What's going on, everybody? It's Dalton's Garage coming at you with a quick few experiments here. This is something I haven't seen on YouTube. We have some 24 karat gold and some silver spoons and some other silver in different forms. We got some dry ice here. And as the title says, we're going to do a couple experiments. I haven't seen this, like I said. I'm going to sit and get right into it here. I'm just going to experiment around with this dry ice and these different materials. I know I've seen them. People put quarters and stuff on this dry ice and it makes an awful sound. So I'd like to try some of these silver spoons first. And back here you can see my water and dry ice. That's an old one, but I just want to play around. I know silver is a little bit warmer than the average iron and stuff. I just want to see what kind of noises we can get. I got several of them because I think as they get cold, they quit making their sound. That's great. I'm going to try some of this gold here too. Like you can tell, these are frosted. They're done making their sounds. We got another piece of sterling here. Go ahead and try to hold that on there. Something's in here. And if you're going to try this, definitely wear gloves. This stuff is it's around 70 or negative 70, somewhere around there. That's just pretty cool here. Piece of sterling. Makes an awful screech. Here's some, if I can pick it up here. We got a raw piece of 925 sterling. Not making too much noise out of that. Let's go to this big spoon. Go ahead and try this. Go ahead and try this. Sorry for all the noise. Go ahead and try this. Almost 8-gram gold nugget here. This is a pure, natural, earth form nugget, so let's go ahead and drop it on there. It's surprisingly pretty quiet. It's a softer material, but I thought it would make a little more noise than that. You can see here it's going to change color. And it just flopped over on us here. Very quiet, doesn't make much noise, although we'll let that frost on there. We'll grab a couple of these other ones, throw them down on here. You know, I'm not getting much noise out of the gold, unfortunately. Not as much as I would hope for. You can see this is frosting up quite nicely. We'll go ahead and let that sit there. I'll go ahead and got a little gold, or a little silver bar here we'll throw down. And that's worrying me a little bit. I'm going to take that off there if well, he wanted to get stuck to it. We're not going to let that happen. Here we got some barber dimes. I really like the way silver reacts to this dry ice. Gives it a really cringing squeal. As soon as they get cold, though, it loses its sound. I'll just keep going through here. I love it. So fascinating. Very fascinating. Let's go get these coins off here. too far cold. I'm going to go ahead and dump this large piece of dry ice into the water back here. Maybe get some more water poured in there. Gives them some special effects. And this one's frosting up. It's lost its sound. Next, we're losing options here. There we go. The gold really isn't giving that great of a reaction. I'll try one of these smaller nuggets here. Yeah, I got a little noise out of them. Not much though, not compared to the silver. And we got some nice smoky bubbles going on here. Let's pour that out. Oh, got even some smoke rings going there. Awesome. Alright. Well, I think that concludes this. That was my little test I wanted to do. Unfortunately out of dry ice. That was all. Oh, here's another piece. Here's a little piece I lied to y'all. That will make the end of the dry ice. So that'll unfortunately be the end of this video. Go ahead and tinker around with this. Alright, that was definitely frosting up. Like I said, if you're going to try this at home, definitely wear gloves. This stuff does bite. And it's not a good bite, it's frostbite. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're interested in this nonsense. If not, why are you watching still? Alright, catch you later. Dalton's Garage signing out.